Welcome to the latest update of History Quest. We're thrilled to showcase the exciting new features we've added to enhance your journey through time at historyquest.ai. Let's explore what's new. First, let's explore our most immersive feature yet, the Historical Sites Tour. Using Google Street View integration, you can virtually visit famous landmarks around the world. Take a look at our beautiful new card selection interface. Each historical site is presented with visuals and key information, making it easy to choose your next destination. We've added a convenient filter option that lets you browse sites by continent. Whether you're interested in Asian temples, European castles, or African monuments, you can quickly find what interests you. As we select a site, let's visit the Nile. You're transported there instantly. You can explore freely, as if you were there in person while learning fascinating historical facts about the location. Notice the enhanced information panel with details about the historical period and significance. You can even open any location directly in Google Maps with a single click for additional context. Navigation between sites is seamless with previous and next buttons, letting you take a continuous tour through history. Our popular word search puzzles have received a major upgrade. We've introduced 3 difficulty levels, easy, medium, and hard, allowing learners of all ages to find their perfect challenge. Notice how the interface shows your progress as you find words, and your accomplishments are automatically saved. No more losing progress when you take a break. With over 40 historical themes ranging from ancient Egypt to the scientific revolution, there's always something new to explore. Easy puzzles feature shorter words and smaller grids. Medium difficulty introduces longer terms, while our hard puzzles will challenge even history experts with specialized vocabulary. We've also added visual progress indicators, showing how many puzzles you've completed in each difficulty level. These features represent our commitment to making history education engaging at historyquest.ai. Whether you're exploring world landmarks or challenging yourself with word searches, History Quest brings the past to life. Thank you for joining our tour of the latest update. We can't wait to see where your adventures take you next.